Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection.
Hi beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboi and today I'm going to be doing a living room deep clean and I thought I should tag you along, so stick around and make sure you like the video, comment and share if you can. So stick around and enjoy the video.
Pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn. Gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll.
This was the previous night. I wanted to soak these pillowcase covers and you are going to see the mess that they really did after soaking them. They really disappointed me and I only wish I knew I wouldn't have soaked them. You're going to see how they turned out after soaking. I highly regret, by the way. So this is the previous night. I'm going to soak them together with the bed cover of the bed that is usually in the living room, so that it's going to be easy for me to clean them in the morning.
When the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn. Gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky. When I'm on the other side.
So this is the next day and shock on me. The glitters, or rather the gold color, had already tarnished and it was now mustard. And I was very disappointed about this. I'm going to insert, I've inserted this clip here because I'm doing another longer video on the same. So make sure you watch my next video because I'm going to explain really everything in my next video because it's a bit longer. This is just a clip I have inserted here. Make sure you watch the next laundry motivation video because you are going to see all these dramas that these pillowcase covers caused.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Ooh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
So in case you watch this video in somewhere else or on another day, don't get confused. This is just part of that video. I realized if I inserted the whole of it, this video would have been very long and I'm not used to posting very long videos. So you will have to watch it in another video on its own. So the next thing I did after cleaning up, I was wiping my seats. Since I purchased these seats are a month old in this house, and I of course wipe them regularly, and especially the two-seater because that is where I and my kid mostly sit regularly. So this big one doesn't usually have a lot of dirt, but I just decided to give it a wipe, and whatever was in my bucket is just soap, water and some disinfectant. I used my magnet disinfectant to just wipe the seats. Yeah, So, and I was, as I was doing this, I was just listening to my favorite music of the year, because I think I had recorded this video on 31st. Yeah, on 31st. Yeah, so I was just there trying to enjoy music as I was cleaning up everything. If you're a gospel music lover, that is what I was listening to, and I'm going to share out the video above here of what I was listening to. Yeah, that was it is a really an amazing gospel song, and I just love the message of it. Maybe you can just go listen to it. Yeah, it's just music of thanking God for everything, and yeah, I know you will enjoy it too.
Artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it.
Next thing I worked on is this TV stand, and it's looking quite messy. And I'm really praying God to give me the money to finish up on this makeover. There are still several things I require, and I'm trusting God for some huge amount of money, because I need a TV stand. I also need a table. I need a carpet. I need curtains. The living room makeover is not yet over. And I think after I finish up most of the things that are at hand right now, I'll get back to it. So make sure you stick around. I'm trusting God that I'm going to finish up soon. Yeah, so I also worked on my carpet, and it wasn't very dirty. So I'm going through it using this hand brush. I normally use what do we call it? What do we call kifagio? What do we call it? The name is getting low. I normally use a broom to sweep, but I wanted to get rid of the small particles, so that's why I'm using this brush. It wasn't very dirty. This time I'm trying as much as possible to avoid the foam method of cleaning it. Yeah, so I normally do this now and then. Anytime I get a particle, I just sweep it through, and I'm telling you, it turned out very clean, and I was very proud about it.
Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love.
For the parts without a carpet, I just cleaned using my rag and some water to just make sure that there was no particle being left behind.
Artificial love. Artificial love.
Allow me to welcome all my new subscribers of the week. Karibuni sana to this channel. We love visitors. We normally do content around homemaking, cleaning, cooking, and anything home. Yeah, so I also want to thank my Premier Gang. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to more support from you this year. Yeah, may God bless you so much for always coming to watch my content. The next people I want to appreciate are my returnees. Thank you for always finding time to come and catch up with my content. May God bless you.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities. and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California.
The next thing I worked on is my windows, and I just gave it a little touch because it was not very dirty. And I'm going to be using my Sufficient window and glass tile cleaner. And I'm going to clean the inner and outer parts. I will also clean my door using the same. Yeah, they are not very dirty, but I'll just clean them through because I just needed the whole living room clean.
Other side. Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky, when I'm on the other side.
So this is later in the evening. Our clothes were dry, the pillow covers, the bed sheets, and everything I cleaned in the morning. So I'm going to get the pillow covers back to their pillows. Yeah, and we are going to do it together. I'm going to fold all these clothes off camera. Yeah. In case you have watched this video up to this point, I'm grateful. May God bless you. So this is the mustard color I was telling you. I even don't know what to do, but I think I'll just ignore and use them that way. Initially, those mustard patches were gold, but the soaking just messed up everything. I don't know if it's the soaking. If you have such pillow covers, how have yours turned out after cleaning? Maybe it was my detergent that was bad. I don't know, but I just use them as they are. But since I'm getting other pillow cases and pillows, I'll know if I'm going to change them or use them elsewhere. I'm just debating. We shall cross the bridge when we get there. We definitely will.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
I also made our living room bed, and I'm going to change the bed sheet and also the bed cover. The other one that I had used here is not yet dry, so I'm going to change to a white one with some patches of gray, and that will be it with this video.
You know how you say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we're falling down. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
So So this was the turnout. It turned out so well. I hope you are motivated to clean up your space after watching this video. Bye bye guys. Let me see you in my next one. I love you so much. Bye.
Easy, I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom,